Already know it's cold out today, but are you going to need some extra time to scrape that windshield this morning? I believe so. So please plan for a little extra time this morning. We're heading out to the Rockin' Ribs Barbecue Festival. Make sure you are going to be drinking lots of water because it is going to be hot, 91 degrees. I'm not concerned about tornadoes this evening, but I am concerned about large hail and damaging winds. Start to warm up at noon. It will be 71 degrees, but winds start to pick up into the afternoon hours. We do have a ridge that is setting to the north of us, and so that is what is bringing in those warm, hot temperatures. If you are going to be heading out the door this morning, you are going to need that heavy coat, your gloves, and your mittens. Don't forget those sunglasses because the sun is going to return today, but you can leave that umbrella at home because we aren't predicting any rain in the forecast. It is a nice evening as of right now. I have big changes coming up in my next forecast. Good afternoon. It is a pleasant day out there. It is a little windy as the winds are coming out of the south at about 22 miles per hour. We are currently sunny here in Springfield with a temperature of 47 degrees, and it is going to continue to warm up. At least we are not sitting in frigid cold temperatures like we were this past weekend. So you will not need that heavy coat the next few days, but currently Joplin is sitting at 50 degrees with Monette at 45, along with Harrison sitting at 45 degrees. We did wake up this morning with some clear skies and some sunshine, but clouds are going to start moving in as we are going to stay warmer overnight tonight. Looking at our weather headlines for the next few days, we are warming up and wind is going to be an issue through our Wednesday as we can see gusts up to 60 miles per hour. We are tracking this winter weather system that could be moving in Friday through the entire weekend, so please stick with us as we continue to track the system. Wind is an issue the next few days, and so please hold on to that steering wheel tight as gusts can be up to 60 miles per hour. Looking at overnight tonight, we are going to stay in the mid 40s, and that is due to the clouds that are going to stick around with us tonight, leaving us a blanket of warm air throughout the area. And then looking at tomorrow we are going to be in the 60s, 60 degrees in January. It is just crazy. And so if you have outdoor Christmas decorations, please get them in this weekend because we do not want them blowing out in the wind into the weekend. Looking at our extended forecast, looking at Tuesday through Thursday, you will not need that winter coat, but looking at Saturday and into the weekend, we are going to see some possible freezing rain and drizzle, but please stick with us as we are continuing to track this system that is still out in the Pacific, and so once it gets inland, we will know more information and keep you posted. But there are some things that we want you to know in case we could see some significant ice possible throughout the entire Ozarks, but that all depends on the temperatures, and so if it is rain, we could have some possible flooding concerns for most of our viewing area. Looking at our Sunday and Monday, we are warming up to about 40 degrees, and that is what is going to be mostly rain as we continue to track the system. Good morning. If you are headed out the door this morning or headed to the farmers market, we are currently sitting at 50 degrees and we are going to see a high of 70 for today. Like I mentioned, winds start to pick up this afternoon. Sedalia could see sustained winds at 21 miles per hour. Good morning. It is going to be a frigid one this morning, so if you have kids out at the bus stop, make sure they are bundled up because it is going to be 16 degrees.